The new hire caught up with the rest of the team in half the expected time. She was leading meetings by week 2. My college friends and I hadn't talked in months, so we met for dinner and caught up for hours. Hey guys, today, let's master the phrasal verb catch up. Catch up has two essential meanings you need to know. First, it means to reach the same level as others, to close a gap in progress, knowledge, or work. Second, it means to exchange news and reconnect with someone after time apart. In a professional context, catching up is about staying competitive. You catch up on industry trends before they pass you by. You catch up on tasks after time away from your desk. The colleagues who catch up fastest after a setback are the ones who earn trust and greater responsibility. No one expects zero interruptions, but everyone respects the person who closes the gap quickly and quietly. In everyday life, catching up is how you maintain relationships. You catch up with old friends, family members, anyone you've lost touch with. It's staying connected to the people who matter, not through social media scrolling, but through real conversation. Now that you understand the core meaning of catch up, subscribe if you want to master more phrasal verbs that English speakers actually use every day. And if this example helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. Also, turn on notifications. We post new videos on this channel every Wednesday. Let's see catch up in action. Example 1. After returning from leave, she caught up on 6 weeks of project updates in just 4 days. Example 2. The entire sales team spent Friday catching up on the new product specifications before the Monday launch. Example 3. My sister lives in another country, but we catch up on video calls every Sunday without fail. Example 4. I ran into an old colleague at the airport and we caught up over coffee during the layover.
Subscribe.
Now it is your turn. Go to the comments and post your own example using catch up. Commenting is a powerful way to show engagement with our community. But more importantly, it helps you put your new vocabulary into practice immediately. So, don't skip this part. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.